Hello everyone, 大家好. So we are here with a new video which is about, actually we have one of more question particle of HSK1 which is about nar, where. So here we are going to start some new words we written here. I hope you are familiar with that. If you are not familiar with that, you try, if you are the new here, you try to be first start with the lesson number 1 because it is HSK1 classes, so you should need to be learn with the step by step. So it's better you should first, previously if videos you didn't watch, please go and have a look on it. So okay, we are going to start sai mean at, on, in, like anyway we can use where are you, like at which place you are, like at, on, in. Might be you are in office, I am in home, so you can use these sai, and it is very commonly using in Chinese language. So anyways, we will discuss about this sai very in brief detail later on, but now we are going to for next. Nar mean where, chui to go, zhu to live, jia home, gongsi company, 大学 university, 朋友 friend, 医院 hospital, 老师 teacher. Okay, now we are going to start with all how to practically we can write it down actually here. Like, do you remember that we just write down, remember whenever there will be a question at the end, nar will come. If you are asking about someone, like okay, I'm gonna say where's John, so I will use to say at the place of this ni, I will just use John. John在哪儿? Where at John at where? John at where? It's mean this is the particularly we changed 在哪儿. John 在哪儿? I used to say, okay, I can say 医院在哪儿? Hospital, where is the hospital? So I can use even 老师在哪儿? So just add here the subject, name, place, name, or things you can add here. Like 公司在哪儿? And I can add like your company, where's your company? I can say 你公司在哪儿? Right? So now we are coming towards here, 你在哪儿? You at where? Where are you actually? It's mean. So I can reply like this way, 我 mean I and me, 我在家, I'm at home. If I want to say I'm in the company, so I will say 我在公司. So you can add 公司. I can ask, if I want to say I am at friend home, then you will say 我在朋友家. Right? So it's clear, like you can add so many places, the name of place, any place, what you want to add here, that I'm at here, I'm in class, either I'm in a hospital, I'm in like workshop, I am at like any place you can just mention at the end. So we used to add next one is 你去哪儿? Where are you going? It's mean where you going? 你去哪儿? So we add the word 去 here. You go where? You go where? You mean 你 and 去 mean to go, 哪儿 mean where? You go where? 我去中国, I'm going to China. 我去中国. Next one is that 你住哪儿? 你住哪儿? Where do you live? 你住哪儿? Where do you live? Where do you live? Then we're gonna answer like this way, 我住在中国, I live in China. So here we add the word 在. Why? Because it's the place, it's a location you are mentioning. So we'll say 我住在中国, I live in China. Okay, there's a next, like how to make this one, like A plus, it's like just I given a roughly name of a hospital, A plus 医院, and then at the end I added 在哪儿, at where? 老师在哪儿? Where's the teacher? 朋友家在哪儿? Where's the friend's home? 你大学在哪儿? Like your university at where? Like where's university? 你爸爸公司在哪儿? Where's your father's company? So by that way, like at the end, just you see, like you can observe it, like 在哪儿 at the end, like all of the 在哪儿 at the end. So remember that this is the placement of 在哪儿, always will be at the end. But you just need to practice some more verbs you can add like this way. Like even you can say 你卖在哪儿? Where did you buy it? Like where you bought. I can add like this way as well. 你学习汉语在哪儿? So you can see here, like at the end 在哪儿, you mean you study Chinese language at where? Where do you study Chinese language? This is what it means. So it's mean we can make like this way. So you can also add like this way. 你买车在哪儿? Where did you buy the car? Where you bought the car? So it's mean these all words you're using like at the end with在哪儿, and sometimes it just come with a chui, because chui is particularly asking about the location where you're going. So going, there's no need to be mentioned that the 在 at on in. You just mention 去 to go. So you can use verbs here, like even I can say 你卖哪儿, or either you use like this way 你卖在哪儿, where you bought it, like this way. So I hope you're clear with the 哪儿. So there's a lot of questions, you can make it by yourself. I hope you like our video. So please subscribe our channel if you like the video and you want to keep on with us to learn HSK1. And definitely we will have upcoming so many new things about HSK1, and by that way, like daily basis, you just practice a very like short time to give to practice for this, and it will be clear to you. But first of all, like if you are not familiar with pinyin or you're not familiar with some basics Chinese, so you better to start with the first lesson which we have in our channel. So it's good for you, it will be more better for you. But Chinese language, believe me, it's easy, don't worry, just you need your time. So give your time and get the positive skills which can make your career, develop your career, and make your, like you got a broad vision or some more visions and more career options you will open for yourself. So stay tuned with us. Thank you. 再见.